Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paul Sample. In this video, I'm going to share ideas with vivid examples that you can use to start your own print-on-demand business. So even if you don't have a skill, still you can start a print-on-demand business and make money online. So if you want to learn more about this, hit the subscribe button below and don't forget to like and share so that even others can learn this golden opportunity. In this video, I'm excited to share ideas that you can use to start a print-on-demand business, even if you don't have a designing skill. So you can start a profitable business selling t-shirts, selling mugs, selling masks without even designing skills. I'm going to show you examples of the highly selling t-shirts or designs that are easily designed and sold on different platforms, so that you can get as an inspiration to know that you can start a profitable business online without having designing skills. So let me show you some of the examples let me start by showing you some of the examples on Etsy. So there are several sellers here who are doing very well and just selling simple designs like this one. So to create this one, you don't need a designing skill. What you need is just a tool that you can light this lighting. So just lighting. What you need is just lighting skills, not designing skills. So this one can be created easily, and I'll demonstrate. So stay to the end, up to the end of this video, because I'm going to demonstrate step by step on how to create this design. As you can see, this design just written, "Speak your mind even if your voice shakes," and has got more than 1,000 sales in past few days. As you can see here, more than 1,000, almost 1.5 thousand reviews. So has got so many sales in past few days. And it's simple like this one. So has got so many sales, and it is priced $35 US. Simple like this one. And those who are new on print-on-demand, you don't need to own anything. What you need is just to upload the design on different platforms that I'm going to show you. One of the platforms is Etsy, but there are other platforms, famous platforms also that you can use. Among those is Etsy, but also I'm going to share other platforms that can sell your designs. Let me show you another design that is very simple, but also has got so many sales. Another design is this one. Doesn't need a skill at all to design this one. It is just written heavily meditated. Simple like this one. And it is priced $11.99 US. You see, and has got over 3,000 reviews, meaning that over 3,000 sales of people have already bought this kind of product. To design this one, you don't need a designing skills. What you need is just to light and then upload on different platforms like Etsy and other platforms that I'm going to share. Okay, if that is not enough, let me share another idea here that also has got so many sales, even if it's very simple t-shirt. You see, you can see here it is written Hope, just HOPE, and has got, let me show you the number of sales that this t-shirt has got. Up to this moment, it has got over 1,000 reviews, meaning that over 1,000 sales already this t-shirt has generated up to this moment. It's very simple. So all this, you don't need designing skills. Apart from Etsy, another important website, print-on-demand website you can use is this website. Is called Redbubble. Redbubble is among the top 3 websites that gets a lot of traffic. And I'm going to share on how you can promote if you decide to start on Redbubble. Now, if you want to join this website, it's very easy. Among the easiest platforms to use is Redbubble. You can upload your design very easy, and fast. Now, if you want to join this kind of website, just go on Google, Light Redbubble. And once you Light Redbubble, just click that and you'll be brought to this website. And if you want to join, if you are using a computer, you just come here to the right-hand corner, click sign up. And also you can access Redbubble using a mobile version. Here I'm using a computer. So if you are using a computer, if you want to create your own account and start selling your designs, just click here, sign up. Now, there are so many categories that you can use to sell your designs. You can sell t-shirts, you can sell mugs, and so forth. Let me show you here. As you can see, there are masks, bottles, there are t-shirts. There are so many products that you see. There are cases, phone cases, there are pillows. As you can see, there are so many categories that you can use to start making money here on Redbubble. The good thing about Redbubble is that it has a lot of number of customers, and they get a lot of traffic from Pinterest. So the sellers here are driving traffic from Pinterest. But also there is organic traffic that this website get a lot from search engine like Google. So you'll get organic traffic by using this platform. Another platform that you can use is called Teespring. This one. This also is among of the famous print-on-demand platform that majority are using. If you go on YouTube, you'll find most of the YouTubers have their designs under their channels or integrated with their channels. This is because YouTube has partnered with Teespring to allow the content creators to sell their merch direct from their YouTube channel. Now, to be eligible to integrate a YouTube channel directly with Teespring and sell your own merchandise like t-shirts, like mugs, like masks, you need 10,000 subscribers on your channel. But another option, even if you don't have 10,000 subscribers on your channel, you can just put a link. You can create a shop on Teespring and create a link. Put a link on the description section so that the viewers will be able to click that link and direct to this platform, Teespring. So even if you don't have 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, still you can create a new channel. If you get views, they will click a link that you will put on the description section. So also, this is among of the top print-on-demand website. So to join this Teespring is simple. Just you can click here, start designing. Which platform should you use to create those designs? If you hate Adobe Photoshop and you don't like Adobe Photoshop like I do, the alternative is Canva. There are several alternatives that you can use, but the simplest among those is Canva. So Canva is available on mobile. There's a mobile app. Also, you can use a computer version on their website. So here I'm using a computer, as you can see here. So you can create different designs, and they are already made templates that you can customize and create anything. It can be social media posts, it can be whatever you want. Everything is here. So it's the alternative to Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop is not user-friendly. It's only for those who are specialized, who are tech-savvy. But those who are like me, you just need these tools and you can create everything that you want here on Canva. Now, if you want to create t-shirts, you can light on search bar here. You can just light on search bar. You just light t-shirts. So I've written here t-shirt. As you can see here, you can customize these templates and write whatever you want, then you download. So you see there are so many templates here that you can customize. You see, just write what you want, then you upload and you are ready to go. So it's simple like that.